This empty cage is one reason why proceedings in this courtroom have been branded by many as a farce, a criminal trial with no defendants present. One of them, Sergei Magnitsky, died more than 3 years ago. His name is now internationally synonymous with great injustice. He was the lawyer who blew the whistle on an alleged $230 million tax fraud, accusing Russian officials of involvement, and who was then arrested by some of those same officials. His mother, Natalia, says her son acted according to his conscience. Of course, I'm proud of him because he was brave enough to talk about it, she says. But of course, it's painful that it cost him his life. Magnitsky died in jail in 2009, officially because of untreated health problems. But human rights activists believe he was beaten and deliberately denied medical treatment. No one has been punished for his death. Investigators here have pursued Magnitsky in a posthumous trial experts say is unprecedented in Russian legal history. I spoke to his mother during the trial and she predicted the outcome. They initiated it to discredit him in the eyes of society, she said. I perfectly understand what the verdict will be. She believes her dead son was put on trial because the United States named a law after him, the Sergei Magnitsky Act. It sanctions Russian officials suspected of involvement in Magnitsky's death or other human rights abuses by denying them US visas and freezing assets. William Browder is a former client of Magnitsky's. He lobbied US congressmen and senators to make the law a reality.
Their objective is basically to try to define Sergei Magnitsky as a criminal in order to prevent similar Sergei Magnitsky acts from being passed in Europe.
Browder was convicted of tax evasion in this same trial. Like Magnitsky, he was never in the courtroom. He now lives in London and was tried in absentia.
It's a complete show trial, a politically motivated show trial.
Russian legal experts say posthumous trials are permitted under Russian law, but only when requested by the dead person's family in an attempt to rehabilitate their loved one's reputation. Magnitsky's family never doubted his innocence, never wanted this trial to proceed. Phil Black, CNN, Moscow.